what if I told you, there's a planet where its single day lasts longer than year? Imagine standing on Venus, waiting for the sun to set. But instead of hours, it takes months. This happens on Venus. One single day is longer than an entire year on Earth. Sounds impossible, right? But it's real, and it's one of the strangest facts in our solar system. Let's start simple. Here on Earth, one day is of 24 hours and 1 year is of 365 days. Simply, that makes sense. But on Venus, one day lasts 243 Earth days. 1 year is only 225 Earth days. So yes, you heard that right. A day on Venus is longer than its entire year. But how does that even happen? Every planet does two main things. One, it spins on its axis. This creates a day. Two, it orbits the sun. This creates a year. Earth spins pretty fast, which is why we get a 24-hour day. But Venus spins incredibly slowly. It takes 243 Earth days just to complete one rotation. At the same time, Venus orbits the sun faster than Earth, completing a full orbit in just 225 Earth days. So basically, Venus finishes a whole year before it even finishes a single day. Now here's where things get even stranger. Venus doesn't just rotate slowly, it rotates backwards. On Earth, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. But on Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. This is called retrograde rotation. Scientists believe this might have happened because of massive asteroid collisions or gravitational interactions over billions of years. Basically, something flipped Venus upside down. Now imagine, you're actually standing on Venus. The sun would move across the sky extremely slowly. So slowly that it would barely seem to move at all. You could stare at the sky for weeks, and the sun would still be in almost the same position. And by the time it finally sets, you've already experienced over 8 months on Earth. But here's the problem. Venus is a nightmare planet. Temperature, around 470 degrees Celsius. Atmosphere, thick carbon dioxide. Clouds, made of sulfuric acid. So realistically, you wouldn't survive even a minute there. So why is Venus like this? Scientists think several factors are responsible. 1. Thick atmosphere. Venus has a super dense atmosphere that creates drag, slowing down its rotation over time. 2. Tidal forces from the sun. The sun's gravity pulls on Venus and affects its spin. 3. Ancient collisions. Early in its history, Venus may have been hit by massive objects, changing its rotation completely. All of this combined turned Venus into one of the strangest planets we know. Here's something even more confusing. If you measure a day based on sunrise to sunrise, on Venus, it's actually about 117 Earth days. Why? Because its slow rotation and orbit combine in a weird way, creating a different type of solar day. So, space really doesn't follow common sense. So today, you discovered a planet where a day is longer than a year. The sun rises in the west, and survival is nearly impossible. Venus might look like Earth's twin from a distance, but in reality, it's a completely alien world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Skeptical Alone, because here, we explore the universe in the most simple and mind-blowing way possible. See you in the next video with another unbelievable space mystery.